Amrit Mahotsav had a different fervor, with India depicting Indianness by accelerating the use of drone technology and indigenization in the drone system. The last few months, India has been witnessing a swift transition from conservative to avant-garde technology. Hi, my name is Sasha and you're watching Drone News Express. Red Fort had DRDO developed counter-drone systems deployed in its premise ahead of Independence Day celebration as Intelligence Bureau issued fresh alerts for possible terror strike. With drones being deployed in most of the sectors, an amendment of Category 5B of SCOMIT list and the General Authorization for Export of Drones UAVs is being proposed. Ministry of State retired General VK Singh told the Rajya Sabha that the government has undertaken a series of reform measures to make India a global drone hub by 2030. Now, some news from the agri industry. In the view of cutting down agricultural costs and increasing the income of the farmers, Gujarat CM Bhupendra Patel is promoting the use of drones by launching a 100% state-funded scheme. The IFFCO Nano Urea spraying scheme aims to make the farmers take advantage of drone technology. The Union Agri Secretary Manoj Ahuja visited Professor Jaya Shankar from Telangana State Agricultural University to review the program on the use of drones in the management of crops being implemented experimentally. For the first time in the state of Goa, Don Bosco and Chinchim Agriculture Club will launch an agri-drone for the farmers to eliminate the need for manual sprinkling. Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh to get 93 drones for precision farming. This will make agriculture more profitable by reducing input costs. Good news for the startups. The Agri Infra Fund has sanctioned the first ever drone loan for a made in India Kisan drone manufactured by Garuda Aerospace at the Indian Agriculture Research Institute known as PUSA Institute in Delhi. It is all about remaining focused, and Garuda Aerospace is again in the news following its international expansion plans. Following its expansion in Malaysia, Garuda deploys drones for agriculture in Zimbabwe. News from recent collaboration and funding. The Indian Army's Army Design Bureau and Drone Federation of India recently signed an MoU for extensive use of drones in the Indian Army operations. Keep your disease at bay, with Flipkart launching Flipkart Health partnering with Sky Air to deliver medicines through the drones in Kolkata. During the pilot phase, there will be 20 flights per day and the drones will be carrying an average payload of 5 kilos, which will go until September 8. The global leader in UAV technology, Ideaforge, it set its foot in the United States by demonstrating its world-class UAVs at the Commercial UAV Expo in Las Vegas, which was held from September 6 to 8. Moving forward to news from the defense sectors. Garuda Aerospace Private Limited hogs the limelight by continuously supporting and delivering the Indian Army with drones and pilots with an aim to accelerate technology departments. While on the other hand, drones were sighted on the bordering areas with Pakistan, Home Minister Amit Shah had asked the security forces to start deploying anti-drone guns to make infiltration impossible. Simultaneously, to keep an eye on the high-altitude warfare along northern borders with China, the army has launched Project Zorawar to induct light tanks and armed swarm drones for surveillance and destroy enemy targets in depth and high altitude areas. News rolling in from educational and research sector. First of its kind workshop was conducted for deaf and mute students of Bajaj Institute of Learning India in collaboration with DARC trainers to provide first-hand knowledge on flying classes and simulator training. Indian Council Medical Research has initiated and approved 4 studies to find out if the drones can carry out medical supplies and how quickly they can be delivered to difficult terrains. Exploration and planning for mining will soon be aided by drone technologies. An assessment of wider rollout is being conducted by Central Mine Planning and Design Institute. By planting 75,000 seeds in June 2022, Garuda Aerospace celebrated 75 years of independence by creating a trustworthy and safe ecosystem. Tamil Nadu Forest Department and Rotary Club Bombay partnered on the event. Chittoor Defense Systems delivers the JX2 aerial target systems to a friendly country, made of composite material and is powered by the 2-stroke engine, among various other advanced features. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in our description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video and do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.